Welcome to Trilogy at La Quinta, where resort-style living meets one of the most sought-after communities in the desert. Today, I'm excited to introduce a beautifully upgraded home, ideally located on the first fairway, just steps from the Santa Rosa Clubhouse. As you enter through the private courtyard, you're welcomed into a light-filled, open-concept layout designed for both comfort and entertaining. The great room features custom built-ins and expansive windows, seamlessly connecting indoor and outdoor living. The chef's kitchen is beautifully appointed with granite countertops, rich cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and double ovens, a large center island and separate prep island with wine refrigeration make this the perfect space for hosting, while the dining area is surrounded by windows and filled with natural light. The spacious primary suite offers a true retreat, complete with a sitting area, direct access to the patio, and a well-appointed ensuite bath with dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and an oversized custom closet. Guest accommodations are privately situated, while the den or office provides a quiet and functional space ideal for working from home or relaxing with a good book. This is where the home truly shines. Step outside to an expansive paver patio featuring a built-in fireplace, BBQ station, and multiple seating areas. Surrounded by lush landscaping and mature greenery, this outdoor space is perfectly positioned to capture sweeping views of the first fairway, the driving range, and the surrounding mountains. Living in Trilogy at La Quinta means access to world-class golf, fitness, tennis, pickleball, dining, and a vibrant social lifestyle, all just moments from your front door. If you're looking for one of the premier golf course locations in Trilogy, this home is a must-see. I'm John K. Miller with the John K. Miller Group. Let's schedule your private showing today.